think, in my opinion, is that why we need a old age home. If our son is not able to do something for their parents, that's why the old age home necessary. And in India, I think most of the people, especially the sons, want to do something about for their parents. And if old age home in India, then the son's parents older, then they kept in a old age home. No, that is a wrong thinking. I think if you think about the childhood stories, how much love their parents nourish their children, and
Yes.
if they grow up, then the responsibility of their children to take care after their parents when they old.
When they turn older.
Yes, sir. And if their parents old, then it's responsibility to
Of
take
their
their
children.
to take their hands and चलना सिखाना क्या होगा सर?
To make them walk.
Yes, sir. To make them work as their parents in the childhood, they to take their
The way their parents
Yes, sir.
during their childhood do.
The way their parents do their in childhood. So I think I think old age home is in some extent is necessary for those people who have no son and who are helpless,
Helpless.
and who have no proper take care of their in anything for a permanent place and for surviving their life. So in that kind of situation, the old age home is necessary, and in some extent old age home is not necessary in India. That is my
Yes.
opinion.
Mr. Ansu, are you agree at this point?
Yes, sir, I agree with this point, because I think that if in India there is need of old age home, then it is the backwardness and uncivilized way of thinking. Because as far as my knowledge is concerned, there is 728 old age home in India. My dear friend, if the mother and father give you a birth to a child and throw it in orphanage, then it is known as cruelty and crime. In the same manner, if we throw our mother and father in old age home, then it is also a big crime and cruelty, and I think it is the one of the most big crime. It is same as we send the god from temple to live in any other place, because no one can forget, or in Hindi you can say rin chukana, because of mother and father. Because I see
No one can pay the debt.
depth of mother and father, because I
Yes.
see lots of mother and father who do not eat one time food to feed their child. This is the real fact. We are the wealth of our mother and father. Our mother and father do not need any types of wealth. I see a lots of mother and father spend their sell their lots of property for the treatment and for the education of their children, because they only need the betterment and benefit for their child. So what the fault they have done to us, that we send them them in old age home? This is not this is the inhuman activity. This is not the humanity. If we send them, then we will have to ready in future that we are also going to be sent by our child. So I think that no such that type of crime should not be done in India. And if any mother and father do not have their child, then they have to adopt their child from their orphanage for their back support. As my friend said, that old age home is necessary for those who have no any kind of son or daughter. So if they do not have any kind of son and daughter, then they have to adopt a child from orphanage, because orphanage, that particular child first do not able to thank you, because he know the importance of mother and father in his or her life. Because my dear friend, the people who have do not the mother and father in the life, Please ask them what is the importance of that particular thing. No, no money, no thing, not the martial thing is needed for a proper growth and guidance. There is emotion of mother who will nourish you and make you emotionally human. That's all. Thank you.